Hi, I'm JT from Sony, here to walk you through one of our new Bravia XR 4K HDR TVs, the X90J. As part of our Bravia XR lineup, it takes a step beyond artificial intelligence and uses cognitive-based intelligence. It analyzes your entertainment the same way our brains do. The Cognitive Processor XR understands how humans see and hear, and remasters your picture to be completely immersive. XR Picture and XR Sound comprise an entirely new TV philosophy, so be sure to check out our video on the Bravia XR processing for more detail. One of the main contributors to the X90J's picture quality is its full-array LED backlight. Combined with XR processing, the X90J delivers ultra-realistic contrast. Unlike conventional edge-lit TVs, this uses a grid of LEDs behind the screen, similar to a chessboard, and it's controlled in zones. These zones can be independently controlled to brighten, dim, or shut down for better highlights, better blacks, and more detail in the shadows. This uses a unique processing called XR Contrast Booster 5 using the power of the cognitive intelligence I talked about earlier. This allows the backlight to be boosted to get even better blacks and even brighter highlights. Let's talk HDR. For all your favorite HDR entertainment, the X90J supports Dolby Vision, so you can enjoy movies and series mastered in Dolby Vision right at home. With XR HDR Remaster, the X90J analyzes each object on screen, analyzes color, and adjusts contrast for the most realistic picture possible. Object-based processing, combined with the Cognitive Processor XR, takes that realism to a whole new level, automatically adjusting hue, brightness, and more. Even when you're watching lower quality content, you'll enjoy entertainment close to 4K with XR 4K upscaling. The Cognitive Processor XR analyzes a vast amount of data to recreate detail and clarity, like our friendly fox here, and to naturally enhance the focal points of the image. Combined with XR motion clarity, that detail is maintained for bright, blur-free motion. When it comes to the X90J's color, XR Triluminos Pro can display a wider palette than conventional TVs. Thanks to the Cognitive Processor XR, each hue and shade are analyzed independently, so you get vivid, natural texture and colors, just like you see on the flower here. It's truly a bigger box of crayons to get you more realistic color. When it comes to the sound capability of the X90J, we've talked about Sony's professional audio experience on this channel before. So we brought a lot to the table, or the TV stand, when it comes to the audio performance. With Bravia XR, we're delivering a more immersive audio experience, understanding how the human brain understands sound just like it does picture. With XR Surround, we're creating an immersive 3D audio experience to get you more involved in the content you're watching. And with Acoustic Multi-Audio and Sound Position Tweeters, we're able to place sound directly from the picture itself for that more immersive, movie theater-like experience. On the user experience side, we're now offering Google TV as a brand new smart TV experience. It's a very content-focused approach, and when you pair it with the Google Assistant, it makes finding what you want to watch even easier. The X90J also works with Amazon Alexa, Apple AirPlay, and Apple HomeKit as well. So I hope you've enjoyed a walkthrough through the Sony X90J series of the Bravia XR lineup. For more information, follow the link in the description below to book a one-on-one consultation with a Sony expert. Thanks for watching.
Brand new to our 2021 Bravia XR lineup is the X90J. Available in 75, 65, 55 and 50-inch screen sizes, the X90J provides a great option for any room size. The Bravia XR range is built around our brand new Cognitive Processor XR, created so we could deliver the most immersive experience that thrills and moves you and feels just like the world around you. The Cognitive Processor XR is designed to replicate the way our brains think and respond to both picture and sound. It divides the screen into hundreds of zones, recognizes individual objects in the zones, and then, and this is the really clever part, can cross-analyze a few 100,000 different elements that make up the picture, the same way our brain does. It's even clever enough to replicate the way we focus on certain objects we want to see at the time and not everything all at once. The Cognitive Processor XR identifies the main focal point in a scene, and by enhancing each detail in that object, ensures it stands out just like it would in the real world. At the same time, our cognitive processor XR analyzes the sound signal, and using advanced sound processing and the X90J's advanced acoustic multi-audio speaker system, ensures the output matches with what's happening on screen, so you feel like you're right there in the heart of the scene. All this cutting-edge Bravia XR picture and sound technology deserves the content to match. Bravia Core brings the cinematic experience home, and it's exclusively for Bravia XR owners. You can redeem films from a selection of over 300 new, recent and classic titles, and will have unlimited streaming access to over 100 films in amazing quality up to 4K HDR. Bravia Core also has the largest collection of IMAX enhanced movies available. Optimized for Bravia XR, it delivers remastered IMAX pictures and immersive sound by DTS to recreate that IMAX experience in the comfort of your own home. In addition, Pure Stream means you'll get a beautiful, smooth picture quality coming to you in a high bitrate of up to 80 megabits per second. More megabits mean more picture information, and more information means more detail and depth for an incredibly immersive viewing experience. The X90J includes 5 movies to redeem, 12 months of unlimited streaming, and access to a host of backstage footage, interviews and more to give you the inside story on what happened behind the scenes of your favourite movies. If PlayStation and gaming is more your thing, that amazing Bravia XR picture and sound technology is going to deliver a fantastic experience with all the colour, contrast and clarity that your games deserve, alongside incredible immersive sound to transport you to different worlds. HDMI 2.1 features like 4K 120 means supported games will look super smooth with quick response times and low input lag. And there's support for VRR and ALLM included too. So let's take a look at the new Bravia XR picture. In addition to the cognitive processor XR, the X90J features several of our premium quality technologies. Bravia XR Full Array LED backlight with XR Contrast Booster 5 delivers deep contrast, and XR 4K upscaling ensures all the detail is there to see, crystal clear. XR Triluminous Pro brings its signature vibrant true-to-life colour range, and XR Motion Clarity keeps sports and action scenes smooth, bright and clear. Netflix Calibrated Mode, IMAX Enhanced, Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos are all included to deliver your favourite movies, box sets and games how the creator intended you to see them. And now for that sound from picture audio produced by the cognitive processor XR and acoustic multi-audio. Clear and powerful, the X90J features 2 sound positioning tweeters located on each side of the bezel and full range X-Balance speakers at the bottom of the screen. For an even more immersive sound experience, the X90J supports 3D surround upscaling, so everything you watch gets the true surround sound treatment. Whatever you're watching, the audio is analysed and up-converted to 5.1.2 surround sound for a real multi-dimensional experience. Now sound isn't just positioned horizontally, but vertically too, creating an enveloping 3D soundscape. What's more, ambient optimization using a light sensor and acoustic auto-calibration sets this TV up for any environment. Brightness and sound-absorbing objects in your room are detected before the picture and sound on your TV is automatically adjusted. Every time you turn on your TV, you get an optimized viewing experience without having to do a thing. With Google TV, you can browse content from across your apps, intelligently organized just for you. Movies and shows are grouped in ways that reflect your interests. You can binge your favorite sagas and find your way to uncharted worlds based on what you watch. Google TV helps you discover what to enjoy next. Finding content is simple. Just ask Google to quickly search for content across apps and services. It's easy to find everything from jungle escapades to intergalactic comedies. Start watching right away, or you can save the fun to your watch list for later. If that wasn't enough, you can also go beyond TV with your Google TV. Control your smart home devices like lights and cameras, or you can talk to Google and learn new things about the news, the weather, or who's winning the big game. With Chromecast built in, you can use your mobile device to stream your favorite shows, movies, music, sports, games, and more to the big screen. And if you're an Apple fan, there's Apple AirPlay 2 and Apple HomeKit ready for you as well. And finally, just look at this design. Featuring a slim and stylish flush surface bezel finished in a gloss black, it appears to integrate into the screen for a premium appearance. Even the back of the TV looks good, our trademark grid pattern with XR icon tying it in with the rest of the Bravia XR range. The polished titanium black coloured slim blade stands are adjustable on the 55-inch and above screen sizes, with a wide position for larger surface areas and a narrow position for smaller TV cabinets. And the sophisticated black voice remote provides a simple and convenient way to access your entertainment. Check out the X90J for yourself. Full specifications are on our website, or you can see the TV in store when it's available. Thank you for watching.